Hi everybody, Camille is going to get a double bubble gum from this machine. A nice lady gave her 4 quarters for cookies, but she decided she wanted gum. Do it, Camille. Okay, we have to put it back over here to start it over. Okay, and now turn it the other way. The other way, honey. You did it the first time. There you go. That way. Go more. Harder. Okay. More. One more time. Ready? Ready? Watch it. Ready to catch it. Put your hand there. Woo!
More.
More? Up here. Okay, so she's doing it again. Okay, ready? Doing it all on her own. Go. Go. Okay. Blue this time. Catch it, catch it. Oh, shucks. Didn't make it, didn't catch it. Okay. And you have one more. She chose these instead. Here you go. Yummy, yummy. This is going to be fun. Thank you so much, Becky. You have a good one. God bless you.
You too. God bless you.
There we go. Yay.
My grandbaby's 13, 9, and 10.
You've been here.
More,
You did it.
More. Yeah, more.
No more. That's it. Okay, say bye to the camera.